Hi everyone. Today, we're diving into a really frustrating problem, your Ender 3v2 stopping mid-print. It's a common issue, and it can waste a lot of filament and time. We'll go through the most common reasons why this happens and what you can do to fix it. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Let's get started with some troubleshooting steps. First, check your SD card. A bad SD card is a very common culprit. The tiny card that came with your printer often isn't very good. It can be slow or unreliable. Try using a new, high-quality SD card. Make sure it's formatted correctly to FAT32 with a 4096 byte allocation size. Also, ensure the SD card is pushed all the way into the slot on your printer. A loose card can stop a print instantly. Next, look at your G-code file. Sometimes the file itself can be corrupted or have errors from your slicer. Try reslicing your model. Use a different slicer if possible, like Cura or Prusa slicer. You can also try printing a different model entirely to see if the issue persists. This helps rule out a bad file as the cause. Another major reason for mid-print stops is thermal runaway protection. This is a safety feature. Your printer stops if it thinks the nozzle or bed isn't heating up correctly or is losing temperature too fast. It's designed to prevent fires. Check the wires going to your hot end heater cartridge and the thermistor. These are the small wires that sense temperature. Do the same for your heated bed. Wires can become loose, frayed, or even break over time due to constant movement. If a thermistor wire is loose, the printer gets a bad temperature reading and shuts down. Tighten any loose connections. If the problem continues, you might need to replace a thermistor or heater cartridge. Consider your power supply and electrical connections. A flickering power source or an unstable wall outlet can cause a print to stop. Make sure your printer's power cable is securely plugged into both the printer and the wall. The power supply unit, PSU, itself could be failing. Listen for any strange noises from the PSU. If you're using a power strip, try plugging directly into a wall outlet. Sometimes, the mainboard can overheat. Your printer's brain needs to stay cool. Check if the fan on your mainboard is spinning. Ensure there's good airflow around your printer. This is less common but can cause unexpected shutdowns. Also, generally inspect all your wiring. Vibrations from printing can loosen connections over time. Gently check and reseat all connectors, especially those for the hot end, bed, and motors. If you are printing via USB with Octoprint or another computer program, the connection might be dropping. Try printing directly from the SD card. This helps you figure out if the issue is with your computer or the printer itself. Finally, ensure your firmware is up to date. Sometimes, a bug in older firmware can cause these issues. Only update your firmware if you are comfortable with the process, as incorrect updates can cause other problems. I hope these tips help you get your Ender 3v2 printing reliably again. It can be frustrating, but many of these fixes are quite simple. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any other solutions or questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more 3D printing tips and troubleshooting guides. See you next time.